About that time. All right.
Yeah.
All right, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, there you go. About that time. I doubt there's anything in there, but let's check it out anyway. Cafeteria. Alright, the trick here will be to, I said cafeteria, I meant lounge, so see if there's anything to snag and then beat the buses, obviously. Oh, that's not good. Thanks. Alright, hey. See if we can something. Looks like mostly. Just gonna check the fridge. See if there's got some apples. Ooh, look at this, guys. Look at this. What's the date on this bad boy? 3/20. Should I snag it? Chicken Caesar wrap, boys. I'm thinking about it. Nothing in here. Some bottled waters. Cream cheese, but it's strawberry. Is it strawberry? Wait. Yeah. Oh, here we go. One left. Looks like a good one too. Okay, so I'm gonna need my backpack because we got some things here to snag. I'll be back. Italian sweet cream? That's a new one. Coffee Mate brand. Liquid form, boys. This should be good. And the best sugar packets. Most quality ones there are. Domino. Copy here.
It's time for E through M to come to the diner. Kindergarten through second grade, you may load your buses.
Oh, I'm sorry. Where's Bushy?
Oh my gosh. Still don't know the date on that chicken Caesar salad sandwich, but it said 3/20, I think. Kind of weird. Peter's out.